Phoebe Lapine of feedmephoebe.com, and I'm here to show you today how to make a black bean soup flavor pack. So this is super easy. We're just using 3 main spices that we would ordinarily put into a black bean soup: paprika, ground cumin, and chili powder. I'm using ancho chili because it's my favorite. And then we're just gonna use 1 sheet of parchment paper, use our scissors to cut into a nice big square, and then a craft label so that we always remember what was in this little packet. So first we're just gonna measure out our ingredients. We're gonna do 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, and about half a teaspoon chili powder. So then just stir your spices together. All right, so I'm just gonna cut my parchment paper into about a 6-inch square. Then you're just gonna dump your spices right in the center of the parchment paper. And then this is gonna be a lot like wrapping a present. I'm just gonna tuck these 2 sides in. And you can use tape if you need to. And fold in the other sides. Making sure that none of the spices get out. And again, like a present, if you want to tuck in the sides like so, you surely can. You can use some tape along the way if you're not the best present wrapper. I'm certainly no pro. Wrap it nice and tight, and then you're gonna take one of your craft labels, or even just some tape will work, but this way we'll be able to see what we've made. Press it down nice and tight because you don't want your flavor pack to open up on you. And that's it. So now we're just gonna write down black bean soup. I'm Phoebe Lapine of feedmephoebe.com, and this has been how to make a black bean soup flavor packet.